In this video, I'll show you how to set up your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra as a new phone. So if you need a guide on how to set up your brand new S24 Ultra, then let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and turn on the Samsung S24 Ultra. You can do this by pressing the side button on the right hand side and long pressing it for about 5 seconds. Once you see the Samsung logo, release it and let it load. Now on this startup screen, go ahead and press the blue button. This will basically alternate between different languages. Now on this page, go ahead and choose your language. Next, you want to agree to the privacy policy. Now in this video, I'll show you how to set up your phone as a brand new phone. So this is great if this is your first phone. So go ahead and tap on Setup Manually. Next, you want to connect your phone to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, it'll then ask you to restart your phone. So go ahead and tap on Restart. Now once it restarts, it'll then ask you to put your SIM in. So if you don't have a SIM right now, don't worry, you can do that later. If you have it, go ahead and put it in. I have another video which I've just released, which will show you how to insert a SIM in the Samsung S24 Ultra. For now, I'll just tap on Setup Later in Settings. Next, it'll ask you if you want to copy your apps and data. Since this is your brand new phone, just go ahead and tap on Don't Copy. Now it'll ask you to enter in your Google email address. If you don't have it at the moment, you can go ahead and create an account, or you can tap on Skip. The Google email address will be required in order for you to download apps from the Google Play Store. However, you can do this later on. Now on the next screen, go ahead and accept the Google services. Now here, you want to go ahead and choose your default search engine. Next, it'll ask you how to protect your phone. So you need to decide how you want to keep your phone secure. For now, I'll just choose fingerprints as the fingerprint reader is built into the screen. Before we do that, we'll need to set up a PIN, which will act like a backup. Now, once that's done, you'll need to register your fingerprint. Place your finger on the screen several times until it goes to 100%. Now once that's done, it'll then ask you to create a Samsung account. Again, just tap on Forgot Password and Set Up Later. A Samsung account is not compulsory, however, it is a very good idea to set one up as it can help you back up your phone in an event where you need to transfer all your app and data to another phone. Now here you want to go ahead and agree to the Samsung legal information. Then choose your display mode, whether you want to dock or you want the light mode. And now once you're done with that, your phone has been completely set up. And there you go, you have now successfully set up your Samsung S24 Ultra as a brand new phone. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.